Ganyan ba yung biniplan niya?
Sana.
Dad, try. I wanna
Mahal
ride.
yan eh. Parang mga...
Ano kung
Next vlog.
Happy birthday!
Hey, let's go!
Hey guys, Rascal here and I'm with
Niana!
and welcome to Ranz and Niana Vlog Season 2. Alright guys, so as you can see right now we are in the car, so we're vlogging in the car because like we're going somewhere today to buy something. But before that, as you can see on the title, we are gonna surprise our dad with our, gift to him, which is a
Birthday present.
birthday present. And that birthday present is
An ATV!
yes guys, you've heard it right. So later we're gonna be in UCM ATV Motors. So like check out some ATVs and choose one to like deliver today too. And then we are gonna surprise our dad.
Yeah, because like his birthday was on January 14 and now
it's February already.
something, yeah. It's gonna be a late birthday gift.
It's
But
gonna be a late
lately
birthday
he
gift.
said he wanted an ATV, so this gave us an idea to film it and give it.
Yes, let's just show you guys what happened on when it was our dad's birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Wow! Candle is now lit. Let's go. I will tell you guys, so it's 9 a.m. in the morning right now of Dad's birthday. Prepared like a big breakfast for Dad. And now we are about to surprise him. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Breakfast time! Happy birthday to you! Time to eat.
And yeah guys, now we are here. Niana wasn't at home that time,
I was
so
at LA.
his birthday is done. He will have no idea that, we will surprise him with this gift. I'm really sure that he's like expecting something, but it didn't arrive or anything.
Yeah.
It's like Christmas, we didn't have a gift to him as well. On his birthday, we didn't actually give him anything too. Now, let's go to the ATV store to buy an ATV for our dad.
Let's go check out the toys.
Let's go. Now we are here right in front of the store, the ATV store, which is UCM ATV Motors. And yeah, we are gonna go inside and check out the... Yo, that was a long beep. Back on what I was saying. We're here at UCM ATV Motors to check out ATVs and buy one for our dad. So let's go in and yeah. So as you can see, it's like for camping, right? If you guys don't know, we have like a farm in Zambales, and Dad mentioned me that he wants this ATV for there, so that if we're there, we can use it in our farm. So it's gonna be epic if we go to Zambales, and then we're gonna bring the ATV there. It's gonna be crazy. You will like this. Now let's go inside and choose. Let's go. So this is my friend Bryce right here. What's up? We're like longtime friends with Jack and Jay, and he works here right now. So yeah, he's the one also who hooked me up here in UCM Motors.
UCM ATV Motors.
Yes, and now we are gonna choose with him. I don't know anything about ATVs or anything, so yeah, he's gonna
I got you guys.
tell us about it.
This is a Minhai brand in partners with Yamaha. 150cc digital odometer, and unlike our Thors over there, transmissions down here. Top of the line suspensions.
Ano yung pinaka dito? Pinaka the best?
Pinakamahal.
Pinakamahal.
Minhai 550cc at the moment.
Do you wanna buy that? 35,000?
Yeah, at 550.
Ang mura! Yo!
Gano to? Guys,
Ano,
me and Niana's gonna buy it, so ano, ikaw lang magbayad.
And this can pull 3,000 pounds.
Mara bro, bayaran ko na.
Sige.
Joke lang. I'm just kidding guys, so I need to choose something, just a normal. Wow. Guys, chika ba? Wow. I'm eyeing on this, I think it's cool, for dad. Guys, I'm gonna test drive it.
Yo, forward.
Yeah, marunong na.
Transmission, forward ba?
Look at me now. Makalog yung pet. Scary. Sige. Uy! Okay guys, Niana's turn.
He looks like a little kid. Figure out how it works.
Is this the one that we are gonna get for Daddy? Come on, Captain. Just try. Are you ready?
I'm gonna die. Oh no, I feel like I'm gonna die. Yeah, don't go to the room.
I think this is the one. Let me give you guys a sick montage of the ATV that we are gonna buy. Okay guys, so now the ATV is about to go to the
FX.
to deliver it in our house. Thanks bro for like hooking us
problem,
up with
bro.
UCM.
UCM ATV.
If you guys want to buy a ATV, go ahead here and you know, meet Bryce here. You can contact him at his number
at ucm.com.ph and my number wherever you guys put it.
here, there. Okay. And yeah, that's it, brother. Thank you so much again.
Thank you also. It was nice seeing you again.
We will see you in the house. Hindi ko alam ano pang papangalan na dad dito, pero let's go. We are on the way back to our house. We were supposed to like be there first and then surprise him, but then he's at home already, so I don't know what to do now. Maybe we're gonna stop like in the village. I'm gonna make Miko drive the ATV. He's gonna like act like it's his, and then Dad's gonna ask about it and everything. If he likes an ATV too, something like that. And then I don't know, we're just gonna like give it to him. It's yours. Happy birthday. Sounds like a plan? They're all asleep. Niana, we're near home na, gising na uy. So now we're inside our village and the ATV is about to go down na Saban. Alright guys, so now the ATV is here. It's time to surprise Daddy-O with this ATV. We're going there first. Miko's gonna follow after like 10 minutes. Dad will see it. He's gonna talk like, you know, they're gonna talk. And then he's gonna like make Dad try it. And then we're just gonna like, it's yours. Surprise, happy birthday. Let's just see what will happen. I don't even know. Good luck on your acting, bro. Let's go.
So we're now home and Dad's here. His car is there ready, so let's go.
Pretend that we're gonna vlog.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we are vlogging right now because we're waiting for the right timing for, you know, Dad to come out. For now, let's just wait. There are two remaining contestants. Ano may nananalo?
Ikaw, video mo to eh.
Hello, video mo yan. Uy!
Yo!
Bakit?
Lakad kayo, Mika. Newbie ko.
Bago na to. Dadaling second hand. Sabay.
Diba?
Right? Okay po.
Yan yung kinuha mo? Ganda niyan ah.
Medyo malakas. Pero low speed. Kaya din sa kwana.
Mahirap?
Transported pa na lang kumama.
I wanna try.
Bagong kuha mo lang? Opo. So kailangan ma-register to. Wala pang plaka.
Ito yung pwede sa Zambales, di ba?
Yeah. 150cc na to, Tito. Plan to buy one. Yan po yung makakaano talaga. Ganyan ba gusto niyo dito? Ganyan ba yung vintage plan na yan? Sana.
Dad, try it. I wanna
Mahal
ride.
yan eh. Parang mga... Ano kung...
Next vlog.
Happy birthday to you.
Ano yan?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan.
Joke lang yan.
Oh, so yun yan.
Ito talaga
Wait.
Oo nga, gift namin.
Go!
Uy! Di nga.
Oo nga.
Shalan na.
Ay, mag-thank you kayo sa akin. Ako nakaisip nung style na gagawin.
Ah, di ba?
Hey, this is like expensive,
Dahil
I don't know what to say.
Bakong yelo, Niana.
Thank you.
This guy.
I was about to cry, but you know, yeah, millions might see.
Brilliant. Game, let's try it.
Napabilib natin si Dad. Happy birthday. Guys, paiyak na daw si Dad. Napigilan lang ng unti.
Wala kang birthday gift eh.
You got me there. I told myself that I will not, I will know if it's a prank.
You're wrong.
Too much. Thank you.
Malalaman ko pag mapaprank ako, pero galing ah.
Galing ni Miko, si Miko nagdala. Parang ako yung iiyak. Buti hindi ako namuli, Tito. Ginabahan ako nung ano eh. Hindi, swabe lang yung ano mo eh. Yung parang sanay na sanay ka talaga eh.
Okay guys, so we just surprised Dad with this ATV. What can you say, Dad? Huh?
It's nice, thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
surprised.
Yeah, we know that Dad likes this ATV back
surprised.
then.
He likes toys like this, so.
Yeah, so again, it's a late happy birthday gift.
1
but
month.
yeah, happy birthday. Yeah, enjoy the ATV.
Hey, thank you, thank you.
Aray.
Love you.
That's it for the vlog today. We just surprised Dad with this
so
ATV.
excited.
And yeah, we're gonna use it for fun. Give this video a like,
Share,
subscribe.
and turn our post notification for a shout out.
Shout out to
UCM.
UCM ATV Motors. That's it for the vlog today.
We'll see you guys on the next vlog.
Peace.